Hello everybody. In today's video, I will be showing you how to download and install a SimplePlanes multiplayer mod, and I will also show you how to set it up and join the main server. So here we are on the front page of SimplePlanes. We go to Stuff, we go down to Mods. This is a mod, so it will not work on mobile devices. And the easiest way to find that is by clicking Highest Rated. And you will see the highest rated mod here is the SimplePlanes multiplayer. Then all you have to do is click PC/Mac, which will open the folder. Now there's a disclaimer saying something about the warranty. I have never had or seen anybody ever have trouble, so I recommend not worrying about this, but just being aware of it. Click download. It'll open over here. You click open file, and it'll automatically bring you to this mods tab here. Now I have a bunch of other mods active already, so if this is your first mod you're downloading, you won't have all these random ones, but you will want to look for SimplePlanes multiplayer. When you click on it, it'll look like this, where you have to click enable. Since mine's already downloaded, I don't have to enable it. Now to disable it, for whatever reason, if you want to, you can click disable, and the mod will stay on until you close and reopen the game. Once you make sure it's enabled with the little green bit, you'll go back, you'll go to the sandbox, and you'll see this. You click on this MP square, and you want to use your SimplePlanes username just so people know who you are, but you can really put on any name, but I'd recommend just using your SimplePlanes username. Local hosting, I've never gotten this to work, and sync weapons explosions. That basically just means if someone shoots a missile at you in the multiplayer, do you want it to hit you or not? So it's like an anti-troll or griefing thing. This is the main server that I believe is based in Japan, but this is the main server most people will join. To close this window, you just click on the MP tab again. Now before we join, I recommend always getting a plane that's around 200 parts or less, because you might have a nice computer, but some people might just be playing on some not so high quality laptops. So to help them out and to help the multiplayer server itself out, try to use mobile friendly low part builds so you can help everybody have fun while they're playing the multiplayer mod without you just taking all the processing power. Once you're ready with your airplane, I'll be using this F5 or MiG-28 from Top Gun. You'll open the tab again. You can copy and paste this in. I'll have it in the comments, and then you click join. As you can see, I joined channel 0, and now a little lag spike of the other people spawning in. And now when I select air to air, we can see that everybody's over at Bandit Airport. So as we can see here, everybody's currently at Snowstone. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 different players here. So as you can see, the multiplayer is working, and someone just connected. And now you're in multiplayer. As you can see here, this is a big lag spike when people spawn in or leave. To chat, as you can see here, to chat in the thing, you'll click this button here on your keyboard, and it'll open up this command menu. You'll want to type say, put a space, an apostrophe, and then put hi guys, or you can put whatever you want in between here, as long as you don't put dashes or other like parentheses. And you can put an apostrophe at the end, or you can just leave it and it'll work. As you can see here, it said Ace Pilot 109, hi guys, and now that'll pop up right here for them for a few seconds, and they can read your chat. So that is and as you can see here, he responded. So as you can see, that is the simplest way of installing and playing SimplePlanes multiplayer. I hope you found this useful. I know this would help me a lot when I first started. So thank you for watching, and please support my channel if you enjoyed or want to. Thank you.